Hey everyone, today I'm replacing the brake booster check valve on this 99 4runner 3rd gen. Oh, there goes my flashlight. Battery's too low, I'll just go like this. Okay, so there it is right there. So you gotta pull the 12 millimeter nut off the bottom here. I already broke it loose. So go ahead and spin that off. Pull this bracket off of here. It's just a little retaining bracket, I believe. Loosen off this hose clamp. This is a little more difficult than I thought with one hand. There we go. So I'm replacing this because I was having the rock hard brake pedal syndrome in the winter. So this was last winter. I'd come up to stoplights sometimes and the pedal would just be rock hard. I would have to push down with all my might to stop the truck, and it was quite terrifying, not gonna lie. So I'll give this a nice twist, pull it off. There we go. And now I'll see if I can get this off of here. So it does twist pretty easy. Might have to reef on it pretty hard though to get it out. Just gonna grab a flathead and gently pry on it. But I will show you the new part. So I did get a Toyota part. You don't have to buy it at Toyota though. There's aftermarket stuff, but there's the part number for the valve. And that's the grommet there. Okay, I just gently pried on it a bit with a flathead like that. And then just worked it out. You can hear the vacuum inside the booster. There she goes. So there's the old one. Pull the grommet out as well. Okay, and I will reinstall the new one now. Just installing this new grommet. It's got that little lip, you gotta get it to kind of snap over. Just makes sure it's fit nice and snug. Alright, I'll slide in the new valve assembly. Pretty difficult to get it on there. I might use just a tiny bit of lubricant or WD-40 on there just to get it in. Okay, I just did a little tiny spritz of WD on there, and there she goes. Now just reinstall the bracket on there. I'll kind of help you locate where it needs to go. It does spin pretty easily if you need it to. Throw the nut back on. Trying to recall now if that was loose like that before. I'll have to look back at the picture. It's always good to take pictures of stuff before you take it apart. Yeah, I'll verify that once I turn this video off. Slide the vacuum hose back on. And there we go. Just like that. Like I said, I'm going to look back and verify that this... Oh, there we go. Now it holds. It was kind of weird how it was popped out like that. I just verified that's in the right spot. I don't think I really have much other option because the bracket's that length, so... Oh, it pops out. But yeah, that's it. So hopefully that fixes my braking issue, and hopefully it does the same for you. Thanks for watching. Take care out there.